How to log into First National Bank online banking. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we'll be seeing how you can easily log into your First National Bank online banking. First off, open up your web browser and search for First National Bank and then tap on the first link that you see. Go to fnbonline.com. Then once you are here, all you have to do is find the login button on the top right corner of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on the login icon, and then you can select which account you want to log into. So if you want to log into mobile banking, select the log into mobile banking option. It will direct you to the FNB Direct on your app. If you don't have the app, just go ahead and continue with the browser with personal banking and tap on it. Here, all you have to do is provide your username and password to log in. So if you have your username and password correct, you can just tap on this login button to simply go ahead and log into your account. And if you have forgotten your password, you could just go ahead and click on this unlock or reset password page. Here, you can easily reset your password by providing user ID or date of birth. And that's how you basically log into your FNB online banking. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.